What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your password on Discord. Now I'm on Discord mobile, but it is a very similar process if you're on the desktop Discord version as well. So obviously the first thing I'm going to do here is just open up my Discord app. And then once you're at this homepage screen right here, you're going to hit your profile picture on the tab in the bottom right hand corner there. And then the second option down here, you're going to hit the Accounts tab. It's right below Set Status there. You just click on that. And then it's going to take you to this menu here, and under Account Information, it's actually all the way at the bottom, the fifth option down. Under Account Information, you are going to see an option here to change your password. Now what you're going to have to do is enter your current password in, and then enter your new password in right below it. And then you could just change your password very easily from here. Alternatively, if you're at the login menu and you want to change your password because you're not able to log into your account, you must have forgotten it or something, there is an option below there where you can change your password, and it's going to send you instructions to your email where you could change it through there instead of being able to have to be logged into your account to change your password. You could just do it from the home screen right there. If you had any questions, though, about how this worked, be sure to comment them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.